Ever wonder how to find the exact companies you want to target and then instantly find the real people working inside them? Let's break down how to use evyUS.com/companies to build your pipeline in under 2 minutes. First, let's look at the main search bar. Instead of generic terms, type in a specific query like software companies with 10 to 50 employees in NYC. Click search, browse the results, and when you find a company that fits your market, simply click see who works here. The platform redirects you straight into evyAI's Find Prospects tool, so you can start connecting. Next, look right below that search bar and click to open the Google Maps search feature, which is a game changer for local targeting. Just enter an industry and a city, like HVAC in NYC, and click Search Local. Once you spot a business, click Enrich to see who works here to instantly pull up their Google ratings, address, phone number, and website. From here, you have options. You can view the business directly on Google Maps, run a quick AI deep dive on them using Perplexity, or click See Who Works at This Company on evyAI to grab their employees' LinkedIn profiles. If you need targeting inspiration, scroll down to the curated lists of pre-made directories or look at recently minted by searches. This is a live, crowdsourced feed of search histories from other users, helping you spot hot markets you might have missed. Finally, click or browse all industries below the Maps link to filter the directory by keywords. Click on your target industry and find the right companies. Stop guessing who your next client is. Go to evyUS.com/companies, map your market, and start meeting the real people behind the logos.